welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Subway Surf. So yeah, don't mind me just saying that I'm more than 65. No, it's triple jump. Wait, what if we get triple jump? Let me see that. No, I can't even double jump. Put this thing I can triple jump. Got an achievement because I'm just Sigma. Maybe I'm the best player. Okay, I jinxed it. However, get out session. You rock! Of course I do. Just like my. Oh my god, double! Just, do you think like the double coin is useful? Because I think that jackpot is the most useful one. I think I need to get more jackpot energy. Is that what they called? But I'm chains. Wait. I don't like chains. Airplanes are better. Magnet, the second most useful item. Just the third. I mean, you can easily jump over everything. Is that so cool? And plus, it's a little magnet. Boop. Oh shoot! Oh, for orange, which I don't like to eat. By the way, kids, eat your oranges. But I ain't. He's a magnet. Ooh. Like that. Boom, boom, boom. Lol. Bro, Santa's trying to arrest me. Get out. Well guys, if you comment, I'm going to play Subway Surfers on Mac. And I played it one time and trust me, I am not good. Speaking the Genji language, yep, I know guys, I'm very cool. Oh my god! Whew. Call me the deranged slotness Subway. I'm not dying one single time. Guys, wait, should I make a world record the longest I'm playing Subway Surfers? I think that would be fun. Oh man. Well.